Kitty's Super Adventures. Come on! Let's go super wild.
Super, super wild, super wild, super, super wild, super wild, wild, super wild, super wild, wild, super, super wild, super wild, super, super wild, super wild, wild, super. Super wild. When there's trouble in the jungle, you know who to call. Super kitties from the city in no time at all. Swinging, bringing what you need and while having a ball. Super wild, super wild, wild.
Super wild.
Moving through the trees with ease, parkouring, zipping and dipping and flipping, wild style soaring.
When super kitties come to the jungle, I start roaring.
Listen and blasting, yeah, the fun is everlasting when you're super, super wild, super wild, super, super wild, super wild, wild, super wild, super wild, wild, super, super wild, super wild, super, super wild, super wild, wild, super wild.
Super wild.
Kitty cats go meow, meow,
Wildcats go roar.
roar. Kitty cats they go meow, meow, and wildcats they go roar, roar.
Let me hear you now.
Kitty cats meow, wildcats roar.
That's it.
Kitty cats meow, wildcats roar.
Speed it up there. Pause. And now go super wild.
Super, super wild, super wild, super, super wild, super wild, kitty, super wild, super wild, wild, super, super wild, super wild, super, super wild, super wild, wild, super wild, super wild, wild,
Come on. Hi, friends. Today, Willa's gonna show us her treehouse. Woohoo! I'm so excited you're here. Let's go upstairs. The steps light up. So cool. Come on, Bitsy. Coming. Up here. This is my bedroom. Ta-da! Wow. And this is my bed. Hey, kitties. How cool is Willa's bed? Want to see how I sleep? Sure. I sleep like this. Over here. This is my music log. Hi. Hi. Yay! Bravo! Bitsy, I have another surprise to show you, but it's all the way over here. I love surprises! Okay, friends, can you watch the baby hedgehogs until we get back? Thanks! Looky here! The perfect place for a birdie and her squad. It just needs a little more zha-zha to make it sparkle. Squad! Put my sparkly jewels there, and my pretty birdie bag over there, and my talent cream right here. Perfect! What? How did this happen? Wait a minute. You already live here. This place won't do